time to the 5 minutes. Number 1. What is another way to write the time 3:45? A. 2:45. B. 3:30. C. 3:15. D. 3:45. What is another way to write the time 3:45? Number 2. Alonzo is going to see a movie at 7:30 at night. Which time below is the correct time that Alonzo is going to the movie? At 7:30 at night. 7 a.m. B. 7:15 a.m. C. 7:30 p.m. D. 7:45 p.m. Which one is 7:30 at night? Number 3. Trina eats breakfast before going to school. What time does Trina eat breakfast before going to school? A. 7 a.m. B. 7 p.m. C. 1 o'clock a.m. D. 1 o'clock p.m. Which time would be a time where Trina eats breakfast? 7 a.m., 7 p.m., 1 a.m., 1 p.m. Number 4. Ben's soccer game starts at 3:50. Which clock shows what time Ben's game starts? Which clock shows 3:50? A. B. C. Or D? Which one is 3:50? Number 5. Ryan's mom wakes him up at 7:40 a.m. for school. Which clock correctly shows what time Ryan wakes up? His mom wakes him up at 7:40 a.m. Which one shows 7:40 a.m.? A. B. C. Or D? Which one is 7:40? Number 6. Recess begins at 1:30. Which clock shows the time recess starts? Which clock shows 1:30? A. B. C. Or D? Which one is 1:30? Number 7. The school bell rings at 7:45 in the morning. Which clock shows the time the school bell rings? Which clock is 7:45? A. B. C. Or D? Which one is 7:45? Number 8. The school day ends at the time shown on the clock. At what time does the school day end? Look carefully at the clock. Is this 2:20? A. 2:40? B. 4:10? C. Or 4:20? D? Number 9. On Saturday mornings, Louisa goes to the park at the time shown on the clock. What time does Louisa go to the park? On Saturday mornings. A. 9:15 a.m. B. 3:45 a.m. C. 9:15 p.m. or D. 3:45 p.m. Number 10. The clock shows the time Donald goes jogging in the morning. At what time does Donald go jogging? Look carefully at the clock. A. 6:25 p.m. Remember, Donald goes jogging in the morning. Is it A. 6:25 p.m. B. 6:25 a.m. C. 5:30 p.m. D. 5:30 a.m. Number 11. The clock shows the time when John arrives home from school. What time did he arrive home? Look carefully at the clock. A. 3:30 a.m. B. 3:30 p.m. C. 3:60 a.m. D. 3:60 p.m. What time did he arrive home after school? Number 12. The clock shows the time when Kevin went to bed. What time did Kevin go to bed? Look carefully at the clock. A. 7:55. B. 8:11. C. 8:55. D. 11:40. Number 13. The clock shows the time that the bus arrives at Dana and Leon's bus stop. At what time does the bus arrive? Look carefully at the clock. A. 6:10. B. 6:50. C. 7:10. D. 7:50. Number 14. What time is shown on the clock? Look carefully. A. 11:15. B. 12:15. C. 12:45. D. 3 o'clock. Number 15. Andre's class goes to lunch at the time shown on the clock. A. 11:15 or 11:30. B. 11:15 or 11:45. C. 11:15 or 11:15. Which time is shown on the clock?